Khalid, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. So you're going to be jumping out of a plane, huh?
Yeah, sure. This is my second time today.
Oh, this is your second time?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So did you have a good experience the first time?
Yeah, I had one. Because of that, I come here again.
Okay, very good, very good. So was this your idea to jump today or somebody else? Are you bringing a friend or?
Yeah, I bring like 5 of my friends with me.
Have they ever jumped before?
No, this is their first time.
Oh, so you're the only person that's jumped before. Okay, so you told them how great it was, and now everybody's come
they saw
back.
my video and they were excited to go.
Nice.
So I bring them in.
Okay, very good. So how do you feel about this? Are you excited or nervous?
No, I'm excited.
Okay, good. Do you have any words for people that watch this video in the future?
What?
Do you have any words for people that watch this video in the future?
Actually, I have to say to them, you have to come here and to do the skydiving. It's a good experience, and you will have a really good time.
All right, thanks a lot, Khalid. We're gonna see you up in the plane then, okay?
Yeah, see you there.
All right, cool, man. Thanks. What did you think of that?
Oh, I liked it.
Yeah?
It's better than the first one.
Better than the first one?
Yep.
Nice. You got to jump out of a new plane too.
Yeah, that's something.
Awesome, man. Congratulations. Let's get a picture real quick here with Boothie.
Good job.
Woohoo! All right, thanks a lot, guys.